Have you ever wondered why it seems impossible to get out of debt or save money, even when you try month after month? Believe it or not, it's not bad luck. It's invisible mistakes that most people make without realizing it. And the worst part? These mistakes sabotage your financial progress, preventing you from achieving the freedom you desire. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the 5 main mistakes that keep people broke, and most importantly, how to eliminate them once and for all. So, stick with me until the end because the 5th mistake is the most common and the most dangerous of them all. The truth is that these financial mistakes are more common than you might think. They affect people of all ages, income levels, and professions. And the worst part is that since these habits become automatic, most people don't realize the negative impact they have over time. But here's the good news. Once you identify these mistakes, you can correct them, and the change happens faster than you think. Small daily actions, done consistently, can completely transform your financial life. So, if you've tried to save money without success or feel like your money is never enough, pay close attention to each of these 5 mistakes because they might be holding you back. And the best part is that throughout the video, I'll show you practical solutions that you can apply today to start breaking free from this cycle. Ready? Then let's get to the first mistake. The first mistake that keeps people broke is spending before saving. It sounds obvious, but most people only think about saving money if there's any left at the end of the month, and the truth is that there almost never is. See if this situation sounds familiar. Your paycheck hits your account, and you immediately pay your bills, go shopping, and go out to have fun. When you realize it, the month is over, and there's nothing left to save. The solution? Simple but powerful. Pay yourself first. As soon as you receive your paycheck, set aside a portion to save before spending the rest. It doesn't matter if it's 10%, 5%, or even 1%. The important thing is to build the habit. Over time, this amount will grow, and you'll have a financial reserve that you can use for emergencies or invest for the future. This simple adjustment is the first step to breaking free from the cycle of scarcity. The second invisible mistake is relying on only one source of income. Counting solely on your paycheck is a huge risk, especially during economic crises. Imagine the impact of losing your job or having your income suddenly reduced. Without other sources of money, bills start piling up quickly. The solution is to diversify your income streams. Look for ways to earn money beyond your main job. It could be a freelance project, selling products online, investing in assets that generate passive income, or even turning a hobby into a source of profit. The more sources of income you have, the more secure you'll be to face unexpected events and accelerate your financial growth. And the best part is that, nowadays, with the internet, opportunities are practically limitless. The third mistake that keeps many people broke is spending money just to maintain a social image. How many times have you bought something expensive just to impress others? A luxury car, designer clothes, or the latest smartphone. All of this might seem harmless, but in the long run, it damages your budget and delays your financial goals. The solution is simple. Stop caring about other people's opinions. Focus on what truly matters to you. Instead of spending money trying to look rich, invest in things that increase your wealth. Replacing the desire to appear successful with the goal of being successful makes all the difference. Remember, rich people don't spend to show they're rich. They invest to ensure they never run out of money. The fourth invisible mistake is the small daily expenses that, together, become a real money drain. Spending $5 on coffee or $10 on a snack might not seem like much, right? But if you do this every day, by the end of the month, that's $150 or more that could be in your pocket. The solution is to track your expenses. Write down everything you spend during the month, even the smallest amounts. This will help you identify where your money is going. Then, cut out expenses that aren't truly necessary and use the saved money to invest or pay off debts. This simple habit of controlling small expenses can free up a surprising amount of money at the end of the month. And finally, the fifth mistake, the most common and the most dangerous of all, postponing financial planning. How many times have you thought about starting to save or invest, but ended up putting it off? The problem is that lost time never comes back. Every month that passes without organizing your finances is one less month to build your wealth. The solution? Start now, even if it seems too early or too late. It doesn't matter if you can only save a few dollars a month. The important thing is to take the first step. Create a simple budget, track your income and expenses, and set clear financial goals. Over time, the habit of planning will become natural, and you'll see how much easier it is to reach your goals when you have a plan. Remember, the difference between those who prosper and those who live paycheck to paycheck is the decision to start. By the way, did you know that over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? And the most impressive part is that this doesn't only happen to low-income earners. Many well-paid professionals also struggle financially because of these invisible mistakes. The reason is simple. The problem isn't how much you earn, but how you manage what you earn. Without solid planning and the habit of saving, even high salaries disappear quickly. And the worst part is that the more someone earns, the higher their standard of living tends to be, and consequently, the higher their expenses. That's why correcting these 5 mistakes is essential, regardless of your income. After all, true financial freedom doesn't come from earning more, but from knowing how to use your money wisely. And now, I want to know from you. Which of these 5 mistakes have you made? Or are you still making any of them? Leave your comment below because sharing your experience can help other people realize that they're not alone. After all, talking about money is still taboo for many people, but the truth is that we've all faced financial difficulties at some point. That's why, when you share your story, you not only help create a more united community, but also inspire others to change their habits. So, don't be afraid to comment. And who knows, your experience might be exactly what someone needs to take the first step toward financial freedom. So, now you know, these 5 mistakes are the main reasons why people stay broke. But the best part is that by correcting these habits, you not only improve your financial situation, you completely change the way you see money. And when that happens, financial freedom stops being a distant dream and becomes a reality within your reach. The difference lies in small daily actions, done consistently. Start by saving before spending, diversify your income streams, stop spending to impress others, control small daily expenses, and don't postpone your financial planning any longer. Every step counts, and the sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. Remember, well-managed money doesn't just bring stability, it brings freedom to live life on your own terms. If this video helped you see what was holding you back financially, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. And if you want to learn practical strategies to get out of debt, increase your income, and build wealth, click on this video here on the screen. It might be the next step in your financial transformation. See you there.